Hello.
You have to take the headphone. Make it full screen also, yeah? Good.
Hello.
Very.
Today are we studying the same chapter?
Yeah, we will study the same chapter.
Okay. I don't have my notebook with me today. I just have a piece of paper and a pen. If that's okay.
Okay. Okay.
So I can say so I mean,
Okay, all good. So we will continue the mission. What is that? Linear equation in one variable, right?
yes.
Okay. I will ask you a few questions before we start.
Okay.
How you want to plan a trip?
Okay. Yeah.
You want to plan a trip, okay?
Okay.
What all places you will use maths?
The timing of when you're like the price you have to pay for the plane ticket, what day you want to go, how long you're going for the trip, and I don't know the transportation when you reach the country, the flight ticket when you're coming back, the price of the
But
food.
that is just the price and the
hotel.
clock. That is just
Yeah.
the price on the clock, which is there, you get it on app or something. But
Yeah.
you're not really using. I'm saying you have to yourself use some maths in that. Give me such scenario.
I'm not sure.
Because tickets is fixed now. I mean, you just have to pay it. I mean, you can't really use
Yeah.
anything there. Yeah.
How heavy your suitcase has to be, maybe.
Very good. Very good. Very good. The first thing you have to understand is how many how many kgs I can carry. Every plane will have different
different capacities.
So like that. So that is one scenario. Can you think of one more scenario where you have to use math in this case?
How big a car has to be to fit a certain amount of people.
Very good. Very good.
So number of seats you need.
Very nice.
What else can it be?
Okay, that's one question. Okay. How does math help us figure out the best deal when we are shopping?
Math helps you by like calculating the higher price or the lower price and seeing which one's better for you.
Does it help in negotiation also?
Yes, it does.
Very good. Very good. Now, the room you are sitting is not painted, let's say. It's not painted.
Yeah.
It's just plastered right now. And it's not looking good. So we want to paint it. Okay. How will you give, and you are supposed to give an order to a person, this much paint needs, because he knows how to paint. Yeah. But quantity we have to tell, area. So how will you do it? We can tell him the size of the walls in your room, how big they are. Very good. Very good. And what will you do with his size? You told him the length, breadth, and the height. Okay, everything is done. So length is done, breadth, that is width is done, height is done. Okay, everything you gave the dimension. What will you do with the height and width and height and length? According to how big the wall is, he'll decide how much paint he needs to cover that wall. Okay. Okay, but there is one small step he will perform after the measurements before he decides how much paint is required. I'm not sure. Very easy. He will calculate the area of the room. Yeah. He will calculate the area of the room before he decides how many tins of paint I need to carry or how many buckets of paint I need to carry. Yeah. Okay. I will ask some more questions. Now climate change is a big issue, right? We know that climate change is a big issue, and every other country is talking about it. We know
Yeah.
that is a real world problem. Traffic
Yeah.
congestion is a big problem again.
Yeah.
That is also a big problem. Do you think maths can help here? Do you think
Yeah.
maths can help you?
I think it can.
Like, explain. Yeah, yes, understood. Explain.
Yeah, I think it can, because you can calculate the percentage of emissions that are getting sent, like carbon dioxide and things. What countries and cities have the most pollution, you can calculate that. What else? What things are causing the pollution? Things like that, right?
Very good. Very good. You see, which means we have successfully proved that math is a extremely practical topic.
Yeah, extremely helpful. Yeah.
Yeah, extremely practical topic. And many people think maths is about calculations. It is not.
Okay. Yeah.
Because it can be done by calculator, na?
Yeah.
Then why are we studying it?
Because it can help you future on when you don't have a
Exactly.
calculator.
Exactly. So calculator can only do the
Conduct
function.
a small amount of, yeah.
Yeah, can only do a function, but it cannot think about how it can be applied to a real life or real
Situation.
world problems or practical life. It cannot relate to it, and that's why it makes sense to study maths. That's why it makes sense to study. A lot of people fear maths. Oh, but you see any subject you learn, if you learn it slowly and if you understand the science behind it, it's not very difficult.
Yeah, it's not very
Now
difficult.
give me any example. Maybe 3 years before you thought this is very, very difficult, but now you think, yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you give me such an example?
Things that I thought were hard before.
Yeah,
and
you thought, like 2-3 years you thought, oh, this is something I just can't get it,
I mean, 2-3 years ago, I thought riding a bicycle was very hard. Now I understood it's actually very easy once you learn how.
So what made you think like that before?
Before, because I didn't know how to do it properly, and I didn't quite understand it, and I didn't have the motivation. Yeah.
Very good, very good. Same thing about any skill.
Yeah.
Same thing about our subjects.
Yes, yes.
Same thing our subjects. So when people don't understand the science behind it, people don't know how to think, that is when they think that the subject is difficult.
Yes, that's true.
My job as a coach is very simple. What is that? I am going to help you how to think in a right way. What to think, that's your job.
Yeah.
How to think, that is mine. So I hope that was a good discussion to start on day 1.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
Let me share my screen here. After each lesson, see this board, whatever I write now, can be converted to PDF. Can be converted to PDF. I can convert it.
Yeah, yeah.
So I will be converting it and will be sharing that on Google Classroom.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
I got the link for Google Classroom.
So Google Classroom is something where we post notes and assignments, homework, everything is there.
Yeah.
And if there is any change of timings on some days,
Yeah.
all those things happen. It's very easy to use it, extremely easy to use it.
Yeah.
That's why we use it. So
okay.
Yeah. So now let's start with the chapter and yeah. Okay. So it is about
linear equations in one
variable. Kaveri, you are in grade 7, am I right?
Yeah, I'm studying this in grade 7 level.
Yeah.
In my actual school, I'm in grade 6, like the school that I'm studying in. But this, like the tuition my mom put me in, she said it's grade 7. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. Now just tell me, what is the pattern in your school? When does the school start? And I mean, basically what I'm asking is, when are the holidays generally, and what is the year division?
Timeline, yeah. So the school year, the new school year starts at around September.
Okay.
And then it will go on until until like a winter holiday, which is around I think December till January. I'm not sure because I forget things easily. And then once we do that, you have a spring break after that, midterm break, and then spring break and then midterm break, and yeah, and then after that you continue doing school until around July, and then you get a holiday, and then you start your new school year again at September.
Okay. So you will be starting a new school year in September, basically.
Yes, I'm starting a new school.
And current school will go on till July end. That's what you said.
Yeah. July start.
July start. Okay.
Yeah.
Start of the July. Okay, understand. So, okay, good. Anyways, anyways, whenever you feel that, you have a doubt in school topics, feel free to ask on
Yeah,
either
I will.
class or on Google Class.
Yeah.
Yes, please do that. Yeah.
Okay, I will. I just want to say right now I don't have my Google Classroom because I'm not at my house. I'm at somebody else's house and it's not
That's
my
okay.
computer.
No, that's
Yeah.
okay. That's okay. Tomorrow you can see the homework. And everything.
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, I'll just open the chapter. That was the second chapter in the yeah. Okay, what all we had seen that day, solving the equations we had. Solving.
Yeah.
We had started it.
Yes.
Let me take my colors. The colors. Wait, Mama, I'm coming. I just need to take.
Where were we? Do you remember?
I just need to take.
I guess these two questions we had solved.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
And even like the kind of questions in the format of the third question, I think we also had solved.
Okay. So maybe we can skip that as well. We should go to question 4 then.
Yeah.
Let's go to question 4. This is from the first exercise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Question 4. I'll just note it down. Okay. I noted down the question.
Yeah, you have to solve it also.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah. Don't fear that you will go wrong. It's perfectly fine. Yeah, it's perfectly fine.
I think in this question, x equals to 14.
Equal to 14.
Yeah.
Okay. So close to. One small correction. So first step will be 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7, right?
Yeah.
That is your first step. Denominator is same, so numerators can be subtracted directly.
Yeah. 4 upon 7 then.
The denominator 7 you forgot.
Yeah.
So 14 by 7.
Okay.
That was the only correction required, right? 14 you understand, because when the denominators are same, fractions can be subtracted directly.
Yeah.
That's the thing about fractions.
Yes, that's true.
Fractions meaning numerator and denominator form.
Yeah.
So whenever we are subtracting or adding, both things, subtraction or addition, whatever it is, denominators needs to be compulsorily same. Just like I cannot add 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 directly.
Yeah.
You need to have denominators equal. Then only I can add or subtract. Both operations need to be done based on that. Okay, I think we are good to go for 5.
Yeah. One second. And when the numbers directly, when the letters directly next to the number, it just means like, what does it mean again? I forgot. It just means 6 units of that number, right?
Think of it little more.
Hmm?
Think of it little more.
Okay.
Try to recollect. We had discussed that we
Yeah.
don't give multiple multiplication sign and all those things.
Yeah. That's true. Yeah, that's true. I was just making
Try
sure.
to recollect. Yeah.
Yeah.
So 6x means basically 6 is being multiplied by x.
Yeah. Now I remember, because
Why?
when you're using matrix.
Because when we write variables, we
You can't.
and number, we don't write multiplication.
Yeah. Because then
there is no need to write it. 6x is enough to say that it is a multiplication. Okay. Now what will you do? Question is clear.
Yeah. Now I divided 12 by 6.
Very nice. Very good. Do that. X is equal to 12 divided by 6. Why?
Yeah.
Because it is a multiplication and counterpart of multiplication is division. So it is going to change to division. Very nice.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And then I got the answer as 2. X is equal to 2.
Very good. Let's move to question 6.
Okay. For this one, does T equal 50?
Yeah. 5
Okay.
is in division and
Yeah.
and it is going to change to multiplication when you change the side. Very nice. Very good. Okay, let's move to 7.
Okay.
What season is going on in the Dubai right now?
In Abu Dhabi, the season's around like summer, so it's just starting to get hotter. It's still good weather, like it's starting to get hotter. Yeah. I think for question 7, I think x is equal to 27. Huh?
18 3 are 54. 54 divided by 2 is 27. Wow, very nice.
Yeah.
Very good. Very
Thank
good.
you. Now we are moving on to question 8.
Yeah, 8.
Okay. Sir, I've actually completely forgotten how to multiply decimals. I tried to figure it out, but I don't remember.
Okay, no worries. Okay, so I'm doing it for you. 1.6, you're multiplying by 1.5, right?
Yeah.
Multiply by 5, 5 times 6, 30. That is 3 is left. You are going to write 0, right? You are going to write 0, 3 is left. 5 times 1, 5. 5 plus
5.
3, 8. So this is first done.
Okay.
Because we are going for a second number, we write 0 here, right? We write 0.
Yeah.
Now we will multiply by 1. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1.
1.
Therefore, this is 0. 8 plus 6, 14. Handover is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. How many decimals we should go? This is 1 decimal. And this is also 1 decimal. That means total 2 decimals.
Wait, what did we hand over? Why did we hand over 1?
8 plus 6 is 14, na?
Yeah. Correct.
Yeah. Because 8 plus 6 is 14, more than 10. So whenever it is 10 and more than that.
Yeah. I just forgot.
Yeah. Okay. How many decimals you have? Here is 1 decimal. Here is 1 decimal. That means how many decimals total?
2.
2 decimal. 2 decimals from right. 1, 2. So decimal will be here.
Yeah.
So answer will be 2.40 or simply 2.4. It is one and the same thing.
Yeah.
I quickly go to washroom and come.
Okay.
Okay, all good. What's the answer for the next one?
1 second.
Yeah, okay, you are doing it.
Yeah. I think y is equal to 2.4 only.
Equal to
2.4.
we got that.
Yeah.
Okay. Question 9.
Okay, I'll do question 9.
Yeah, question 9. Question 9. From onwards, we are going one level up.
Okay. Sir, I think x for like 9th question, I think x is equal to 19.
Okay, let's check.
Oh,
Okay, what
sorry.
was the
Oh, sorry. I wrote the question wrong. Sorry. I wrote the question wrong. Sorry. I
Okay.
think I wrote the question wrong. I'll correct it.
Okay.
I think x is equal to 25 upon 7.
That's correct. You added 9 first and then obviously divided
Yeah, added
by
9 on both sides, yeah. And then I simplified it, yeah. For I think the 10th question, y would equal 31 upon 14.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's go to 11.
Okay. So,
I will be back in a minute, okay?
okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm very sorry.
That's okay. That's
But-
okay.
Yeah, but
And
here I really have a fever and vomiting and everything since last night.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. Oh my God. I hope
Hmm.
you get better.
Okay. The 11th.
11th question. I mean, I'm not sure how to do it. It's a bit
Okay.
confusing.
Can we subtract 17 from both sides first, please?
Yeah.
Because 17 is there on both, 17 is plus. I would like to subtract 17 from both sides.
Yeah.
So this is gone.
Yeah. So 6p equals.
-8. 6p
Yeah.
equal to -8 because 9 minus 17 will be -8.
Yeah.
Now 6 is being multiplied by p. So I hope
So
that
divide.
it will go for division, and
Yeah.
this is -4/3.
Oh, okay.
That's all.
How would it become like mine? Okay. So you're just simplifying the fraction.
Simplifying it, and in course we have divided it by 2 so that it gets simplified.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now I
Always in
understand.
maths, we would like to try to simplify it as much as possible.
Okay. Got it.
Yes.
Okay. And I'll do 12th also? Okay.
That's the last question in the exercise.
Okay.
Don't sit, don't sit, don't sit. Don't sit, don't. Mommy, don't. Surely go, 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 go.
So can you also teach how to do this question, because I don't quite understand.
Yeah. First of all, let us subtract 1. That 1 can be subtracted.
Both sides?
Yeah. So
Okay.
that this gets cancelled. I will get x by 3 equal to 7 by 15 minus 1.
Okay.
As we know, 1 can also be written as 1 upon 1.
Yes.
Just to make sure that both are fractions. Just to make
Yes.
sure that, yeah, both are fractions. Now, one principle is very important when we add or subtract. What is that? Denominator needs to be equal. Denominator
Yes.
needs to be equal. So let me divide and multiply by 15 here, so that the denominator becomes 15. So that the denominator becomes 15.
Okay.
Yeah. So 7 by 15 minus 15 by 15.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Now, this is equal to 7 minus 15 by 15.
Yeah.
So minus 8 by 15 is equal to minus 8 by
Yeah.
15. So what is the left side? X by 3, x by 3, x by 3, x by 3, x by 3.
X by 3. Yes.
Everywhere it is a x by 3. Now,
Yeah.
3 will go for multiplication. X
Yes.
will equal to minus 8 by 15 times 3. That is minus 24 by 15.
Wait, again, why are we multiplying the 3? I'm sorry, I got confused in the middle.
Because x by 3 is in division on the left side.
Yes.
So when it will change the side, it will go for multiplication.
Okay.
Yeah. So minus 8 into 3, minus 24 by 15. Let's divide by maybe 3. We will get minus 8 by 5. Just to simplify the fraction.
Okay. Okay.
So that fraction gets simplified. Minus 24 by 15, both are divisible by 3. So I'm dividing it by 3.
Yeah.
Yeah. Both are divisible by 3. So I am dividing it by 3.
Okay, got it. Yeah, so then x would be negative 8 upon 5. I wrote it down, sir.
All good. All
Yeah.
good. All
Yeah.
good. I'll be uploading the homework of similar types.
Okay, yeah.
And the PDF of what we have written here, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, bye. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. See you again on Friday.